Amidst the allegations that the real motive behind assassination of former Health Minister Nabbar Das is yet to come out. Odisha Law Minister Prithviraj Harichandan's statement to a national media regarding reopening the high-profile case has sparked a political storm. The Law Minister's weight behind reopening of several heinous crimes that occurred during the previous BJD government's tenure has now put the spotlight back on several theories surrounding the old cases. Several people, including politicians, have been alleging a major conspiracy behind the broad daylight assassination of Nabbar Das, who was a cabinet rank minister in the previous Naveen Patnaik-led BJD government. Allegations flew thick and fast that police never investigated the case from the angle of a conspiracy. On the fateful day of January 29, 2023, the then Health Minister Nabbar Das was shot dead by Assistant Sub-Inspector Gopal Das from a close range in Jharsuguda. ASI Gopal Das was deployed at Gandhi Chowk in Brajrajnagar for traffic management as Health Minister Nabbar Das was scheduled to attend a program nearby. As soon as Nabbar Das reached the venue and was getting down from his vehicle, his supporters rushed to welcome him. Gopal Das also went closer, and before anyone could understand anything, he opened fire at the minister from point-blank range. Severely injured Nabbar Das was immediately rushed to Jharsuguda District Headquarters Hospital and then was airlifted to a private hospital in Bhubaneswar, where he succumbed to his injuries. The preliminary charge sheet filed by the crime branch highlighted that the prime accused Gopal Das killed Nabbar Das over personal grudge. The charge sheet revealed that Gopal Das was under the impression that Minister Nabbar Das and his supporters would eliminate him because he had dared to stop some vehicles belonging to the minister. Accused Gopal Das admitted that he was preparing to kill Minister Nabbar Das since long. He had also visited Sambaleshwari temple in Sambalpur with his brother and observed his mundane and took oath to kill Nabbar Das in near future. The charge sheet also highlighted that Gopal Das had made efforts to shoot the BJD minister during the inauguration of the statue of late Kishore Mahanti in the Brajrajnagar area but could not get an opportunity to execute his plan. The crime branch denied that Gopal Das is suffering from bipolar disorder, which was claimed earlier. Medical examination by a special medical board constituted by the DMET government of Odisha ascertained that his mental condition is quite normal and there was no abnormality. On May 26, the Odisha crime branch submitted a 543-page charge sheet in the court of JMFC, Jharsuguda against accused Das. In July, the dismissed Assistant Sub-Inspector Gopal Das was subjected to a polygraph test. The test revealed that Gopal Das killed Nabbar Das as he feared a threat to his life from the latter. It was then claimed that the accused Gopal Das revealed key information pertaining to the sensational murder of the then Health Minister. On August 9, 2023, senior advocate Satya Bohidar highlighted a new fact that was mentioned in the charge sheet. According to Advocate Bohidar, the crime branch in its charge sheet mentioned deceased Nabbar Das as the first witness. He further asked if the police couldn't record Nabbar Das's dying declaration before his death, how can he be made the first witness? In September 2023, the Jharsuguda Additional District and Sessions Court framed charges against the dismissed ASI and accused Gopal Das, who is currently lodged at Chodwar Jail in Cuttack. Well, with government assuring that the high-profile case would be reopened, all eyes will now be on the outcome of the action plan.